Owen, where are we going, buddy?
Well, we're going to Winnipeg to help start the first F.R.E.D team in Manitoba. And we're going to teach them some stuff about first robotics. It's going to be pretty cool. Okay, we're getting out of the van. That was a long van ride.
Indeed it was.
Okay, welcome to a mall. Okay, we're getting lunch now.
Yeah, we're getting lunch at
Amber,
Subway.
you can wave this time. Alice, say something.
Come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know.
7.
6.
Took me the 4 numbers into realizing.
Okay, this is like some weird back alley at the school that we're presenting at. This is Clifford the Big Red Van. We're all getting out of here. And they just took the robot in. And there's our people. There's Amber and Bailey. Look at that.
And just keep it short though, right? Just how old you are, what grade you in, you know. So one of the things that you find out is that there's a lot of different facets to being involved in a robot team. This is only a third of our team. We actually so Owen would like to say something.
Well, I just wanted to say that this thing is so fun. Like, I joined this in 9th grade because it's like, robotics, you would like robotics because you like to play with Legos. I said, yeah, okay. And then I joined this thing, and you do the build season. The build season's fun. You get to design a robot. And then you get to the competitions, and the competitions are like unreal. There are so many teams there, and everyone is so nice. So then they put it on the higher scale, and in the middle, and just spit it out there. The sprocket shape with belts. Okay, so we just had a whole bunch of people come in here. We did 2 classes. Mr. Culleton did the first presentation, and the students, us students, did the rest of the presentations. Yeah, and we had people from the classes actually get to drive the robot from the second group that came in, and that was really fun. I think they had a lot of fun doing that, and I think people are interested. This is their school.
I think it went well. We're definitely gonna get across to more people tomorrow when it's the robotics kids who are actually serious about it.
You could tell the school was interested. They even had their principal come in and drive the robot for a couple minutes. So that was cool.
That was cool.
Oh, stay focused, camera. Next time we're here is tomorrow morning at 9:30.
Yep.
to do the big presentation. And right now, we're getting a school tour of what their school looks like. It's
They
pretty.
have the top-down lockers. Oh, those poor kids.
Oh, they have two. We're just sitting in this room now with a whole bunch of people. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it was a successful day. We're kind of just waiting around now. Maybe we'll do something fun tonight.
I'd like to go get food.
That would be good.
There's rumblies in my tummies.
Yeah.
I don't have anybody for my van. I'm gonna leave them. I don't care. And I told them, I said,
Okay, we're leaving now. Okay, I'm currently informing the camera that we will be doing some dinner and stuff, maybe a movie or something. I don't really know yet, but I'm just going to inform the camera that we are not going to be bringing the camera. So you guys are going to have to wait in the car while we do a whole bunch of fun stuff.
Yeah, because you guys don't get to come with.
Yeah, YouTube. Okay, guys. Oh, stop moving. You're unfocusing the camera. Okay. Freeze. Alright, so what's happening is we're in a hotel room. You missed an epic meal at Olive Garden in a...
Am I allowed to move?
No, not yet. You missed an epic meal at Olive Garden, and we did a lot of driving. Not much else happened. Pretty.
Is that on?
Yeah. If you would.
Oh dear. This bed is taken.
Okay. Well. Anyways, we will be doing a trampoline thing at 8 o'clock. It's currently about 7:30. So.
I gotta go.
So, Owen, what did we just do?
Did you be filming?
Yeah, what did we just do?
Focus.
Yeah, man.
We went to the trampoline place. It was really lit. Too bad you guys couldn't see it, but I didn't want to bring the camera.
Yeah.
For safety reasons and other reasons.
It was pretty dark in there.
It was really nice until I hurt my toe.
Yeah, and then
Probably permanently broken. I might have to get it amputated.
I fell. I hit the old knee.
Yeah, Valerie hurt her shoulder. We had a lot of injuries, but we did have a lot of fun too. So that kind of overpowered us.
The only thing injured was my heart.
Sam.
Actually, no, I don't have a heart, so it can't.
That couldn't
Same.
happen anyway. Get your shoe off the bed. Yeah, really. This is.
Sorry, boys.
Get your wet liquidness off.
Good morning, Vietnam. We just woke up in the hotel in Winnipeg. We're gonna be going back to the school to do some more presentating, and we got 1 minute till we leave, and I haven't had breakfast yet. It is recording.
Is it sad that I just pushed that button like 4 times and missed?
Yeah.
It's kind of sad.
Okay, so it's pretty early in the morning. We're getting out. We're going to do some presenting to students who were interested in the first robotics program yesterday. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Hi, Sam.
You're good.
I was like, okay.
You're good. You're good. Okay, we're arriving at Garden City Collegiate.
For the second
Again.
time. Squeeze.
Robotics racks.
Rocks.
So the Chairman's Award, as you start to grow as a team, you start to do outreach programs, and we do outreach programs. We've done things like Go Baby Go, where we've built cars for handicapped kids and different things like that, to going out and starting FLL teams or doing things in the community. Kind of just different technology outreach programs. We've gone and worked with elders at our senior center.
Guys were with
Hello, camera. This is Owen Marvin. We just left the Garden City Collegiate, and it was really good. We got to talk to a lot of people. Some of us mingled with the team. We made some friends, right? Yeah, we made some friends. Well, some people showed up, and I think they're really interested in FIRST, so I think our mission here is complete.
Woo!
Good job, team.
Yeah! Canada's